Do-it-yourself avocado hair mask for dry hair. Looking for a natural way to pamper your hair? This avocado-based conditioning mask is a popular at-home option among beauty enthusiasts. How to make it? Mash one ripe avocado and mix it with a teaspoon each of jojoba oil and wheat germ oil in a bowl. After shampooing, gently apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, massaging it in with your fingertips. Cover your hair with a plastic cap for around 20 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with water. Many people include this in their weekly self-care routine to help keep their hair feeling soft and nourished. Always patch test before trying new ingredients on your skin or scalp. Exploring sage as a natural hair rinse. Sage has long been valued in various cultures for its traditional uses, including natural hair care routines. To explore this herbal rinse, steep 4 tablespoons of dried sage in 1 cup of boiling water. Allow it to sit overnight. The next day, strain and mix the liquid with 1 cup of brewed tea. Some people apply this herbal mixture to their hair in the evening as part of their personal care ritual, repeating the process over time. This method has been noted in Native American traditions and is still used by those interested in natural, plant-based hair treatments. Some people use sage tea as part of their personal care routine to subtly darken gray strands over time. As always, it's a good idea to test any new ingredients on a small patch before full application.